Welcome back to Decoded, the AI-powered game where you are the contestant. Think fast, claim your squares, and see if you can outsmart the AI. Tonight's round introduces a brand new twist, Double Trouble. Some squares contain not one, but two questions. And of course, we've got our signature AI glitch challenge, where reality and AI mix to test your perception. Let's see if you have what it takes to conquer the grid. It's time to play Decoded. The board is open. Pick your square. Tonight's categories are AI glitch or reality, the future of homes, deepfake or real, luxury or lies, cyber mysteries. Lock in your choice now. All right, the first selection is the future of homes. Let's see what AI has in store for you. In 2023, a company developed a smart home system that allows your walls to change colors with a voice command. Is this AI fiction or reality? Lock in your answer. And the correct answer is reality. This tech exists today. If you got it right, that square is yours. Uh-oh, we've landed on double trouble. That means your next square comes with two back-to-back questions. Answer both correctly, and you claim it. Let's go. The next chosen square is luxury or lies. Look closely. This luxury mansion features a transparent rooftop swimming pool that extends over the ocean. But is this a real concept or an AI-generated fantasy? Lock in your answer. And the correct answer is real. This is a proposed architectural design. Now for part 2. What's wrong with this AI-generated home? Look carefully. Time's up. If you spotted that the staircase leads nowhere, you got it right. If you nailed both answers, that square is yours. It's time for the AI glitch challenge, the toughest round yet. Your final selection is cyber mysteries. This futuristic smart home claims it can generate its own gravity to allow upside-down living. Is this real technology or just an AI-generated mistake? Final answer locked in. The correct answer is AI-generated nonsense. Gravity doesn't work that way yet. That's the end of the game. Count up your squares. How many did you win? More than last time? Let me know in the comments. Think you can beat AI next time? Make sure to subscribe for more Decoded, where AI challenges your reality. See you next time.